Hi, I'm Abigail. I've been working at Body Bliss for 3 years. I'm a hairstylist, and one of the reasons that I love to do hair is making clients feel confident and beautiful. One of my favorite things to do is highlights, lowlights, doing dimensional colors, super fun, and it always makes me feel so happy whenever I can send someone out the door feeling better than they did when they came in.
Hey guys, I'm Kori. I've been doing hair for 10 years now, but I've been at Body Bliss for a year and a half, and I just love working here. I'm so happy that I found this salon. The clients are awesome. My favorite thing to do would be hair color or extensions, and I really love the drastic transformations, making women feel beautiful and more confident.